Hey, I just got another package from Big Boys with Cool Toys. Wonder what it is. There's been a few things on for the Father's Day sale this week. And I get a couple of them. Just like Christmas. They always tape this so you can't see what vehicle's in it. It's odd. I think it's just for shipping so somebody doesn't see what's going on. And look who we got. We have the SCX24 Deadbolt 1/24 4x4. So that means JR is only missing one Axial 24. As I almost cut my finger. My driveway just got sealed, so my truck's not at home. So the majority of my nights are in my truck door. Ooh, I like that green. I was so hesitant. I'm going with the red over the green. So, in a normal Axial, they give us our batteries, which is awesome. They're the only manufacturers that actually do that. You pay $150, $200 or something, it should come with batteries. So you have your charger. I was wondering what controller it has. Oh, yeah, it's the same as the Gen, it's the X4, which is awesome. Alright. Super dangerous. Ooh. I like it. It looks so cheesy in a lot of people's videos and stuff. It actually looks pretty cool. It was pretty cool flex right out of the box. And it's got the pins, which I like because, ooh, it has the AX6 in it. The AE6 in it. I like that controller. That actually fits on nice. Not too big of a pain. A lot of those suck to do because they drill the hole a little too low, and you have to like wedge the chassis down. And those ones are drilled nice. Cool. I like it. All right, we'll get some batteries into her and start playing with it. See you guys later. So we got some batteries in it. I like the lights. They're like LED lights. Like none of my other ones are like that. I've never seen it. I didn't see that in any of the videos. Like, yeah, of course the other lights are LEDs, but like these ones are like see? Like, super cool. So it'll go pretty fast right out of the box. See how they go. I like it. I'll take it outside and play with it. So I just got my driveway resealed. And my nice grass. Now I need to get my Jurassic Park skins. It looks so cool. Very, very sensitive slow crawl. There you see. And all these motors are like that.